back to Troyer's Travels. This is a special shortened edition because of the fact that the place that we're checking out is closed. This is the Harry S. Truman Museum, and we're in Independence, Missouri. Harry Truman was born in Missouri. He was the 33rd president, and they were redoing the Eisenhower Museum out in Abilene. Then they were going to redo this one, but this one's again closed. They were going to finish the remodel in 2020, then COVID hit, so it is having an extended closure. So I'll show you what I can. Also, I'm going to show you the outside of the Truman House, which is also closed, unfortunately. Here's a quick look at the library, museum, and house, what we can show you. But pretty much, we're just getting the outside views. He was the 33rd president, by the way, also the 34th vice president, and he came right after FDR.
The Truman House, built about 1867 by George Porterfield Gates, a mill owner. President Harry S. Truman and his wife, Bess Wallace Truman, granddaughter of Gates, made this their home from the time of their marriage in 1919, the Summer White House from 1945 to 1953.
Cold day out here. The thermometer says 0 or 1 depending on which one you look at, and with the wind chill factor it feels like -7. So Independence, Missouri. Happy Valentine's Day. It's cold, so drink some coffee. Thanks again for watching. Please visit www.davidhtroyer.com. Please visit amazon.com/author/davidhtroyer. Check us out on our other social media websites. Check us out at patreon.com/davidhtroyer. And then at davidhtroyer on Twitter. We're also on Instagram. Have a great day. Hope to see you on travels.
Please consider helping us bring you videos from more unique places by sponsoring us at patreon.com/davidhtroyer.
As a Skywalker, call myself a stormtrooper. Have a great day. We hope to see you on our travels.